everybody, and welcome to Fun Sock Creations. I'm Anna, and today we're going to make a unicorn eye mask with the option of scenting it with lavender. Let's get started. You'll need the following supplies for this project. Turn your sock wrong side out. Place it so it's folded in half this way, and then take your eye mask template and place it onto the sock. Try to align it so that this bottom curve follows right along the curve of the bottom of the eye mask. And then just draw the lines where this pattern does not meet an edge. So over here, I will do it, and here. Then cut on your marked lines. Then take about 12 inches of elastic. Make sure it doesn't get twisted up in here, and send it out on one side about ½ inch and pin that into place. Make sure it's not twisted in there, and then you'll want it to stick out about ½ inch on this side as well, tucking the rest of the elastic inside there. Also making sure that they're about evenly spaced vertically on these sides. And then you can sew it by hand or with your sewing machine. But do make sure to leave one small opening so that you can turn it right side out and fill it with the lavender scented rice. Now take your rice and put about 1 drop of your preferred essential oil in there. I'm doing lavender for its relaxing properties. You do not want to put too much. You can always add more, but you can't take it away once you've added it. Mix it really well. Now pour that back into your measuring cup. If you have a funnel that fits into your opening, you can use that. My funnel was too big, but these grains of rice are small enough they should go into there fairly easy. You might not use all your rice. Mine's about as full as I want it, and I have just a little bit of rice left, and that's okay. And then at this point, go ahead and sew that last opening shut. When first beginning to sew something shut by hand, I always like to lock my stitch into place. And you do that by coming in on the underneath side, and then sending your needle out, and then right back in. Then pull it almost all the way out, and then put your needle right between those threads before the knot, and just pull it tight, and that locks it right into place. So then it won't come out between the fibers of the sock. You may need to do what I did, and I kind of had to tuck in a little bit of the previous seam just to make it a smooth corner and not be so hard. And then you can tie it off. Now comes the fun part. Cut out all the pieces from the template that you plan on using, and then we'll put them into place. Begin by gluing the hair into place. Take the largest one and center it and glue it in place. Then take the medium-sized one then take the last one. Now take your eyelashes, place them where you want them to be, and then glue them into place very carefully. I'm going to do it just like this because they're so skinny. They're kind of hard to maneuver if you put the glue onto the eyelash. So just do a little bit at a time, and then do the same thing to the other one. Now take the sparkly foam and put that onto the ear on both sides. Go ahead and glue any loose edges, and then decide where you want to put the ears and the horn. Let the glue cool on everything, and then you're all done. You can heat the mask in the microwave for about 10-second intervals. Make sure you do not overheat it, or you can keep it in your freezer for a nice cooling effect. Thanks so much for joining us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and/or comment on this video. We'll see you next time. Goodbye.